Hi, this is Jim Pinkham, MarineMax Lake Norman at 704-997-2168. We have in the showroom today a 2021 AR250. This is an internal view of the boat. Dual captain chairs with armrests. Large digital screen. Cell phone holder. Dual throttles. All of the seats have hinges. Ample seating in the bow. We have an anchor locker. Also a boarding ladder in the front. This has the water sport tower with the integrated bimini top. Powered by twin 1.8 liter YAMAHA engines. Get you a view of the outside. This is in the black hole. If you'd like to see this Yamaha, take advantage of Yamaha's #1 selling unit, give me a call. Again, Jim Pinkham at MarineMax Lake Norman, 704-997-2168.